Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever wondered how to tackle fine lines, puffiness, or just get that refreshed look around the eyes, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about the RoC Retinol Correxion Line Smoothing Eye Cream plus Max Hydration Cream, which is a powerful duo designed to target those very concerns, all while delivering the age-fighting benefits of retinol and the deep hydration of hyaluronic acid. This is a line-smoothing retinol starter kit that promises visible results both instantly and over time. The set includes the Retinol Correxion Line Smoothing Eye Cream, which helps reduce puffiness and brighten the under-eye area, and the Max Hydration Cream, which promises 48-hour hydration and visible wrinkle reduction in just 1 week. Now let's break down how well these claims hold up when put to the test. First off, the Retinol Correxion Line Smoothing Eye Cream is formulated to address puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines around the delicate eye area. The key ingredient here is retinol, which is clinically proven to boost collagen production and help smooth out fine lines. It's also packed with hydrating ingredients like glycerin, which help maintain skin moisture without irritating the sensitive skin around the eyes. I personally found that the texture of the eye cream was lightweight, yet rich enough to provide that soothing feeling as I applied it. It absorbed quickly, leaving the skin feeling refreshed but not greasy. After using it consistently for a few weeks, I definitely noticed that my under-eye area appeared brighter and less puffy, especially in the mornings when I had the most noticeable swelling. However, the biggest difference was in the reduction of fine lines. Over the course of a couple of months, I saw noticeable smoothing, and while it's hard to gauge exactly 50%, it was certainly a significant improvement. Now let's talk about the Retinol Correxion Max Hydration Cream. This product is a deeply hydrating moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and retinol, designed to lock in moisture for 48 hours while fighting wrinkles. If you're someone with dry skin like me, you'll love how this product feels. It's rich without being too heavy, and the combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid works beautifully together. Hyaluronic acid helps plump the skin and keep it hydrated, which is essential when using retinol, as it can sometimes cause dryness. I use this both in the morning and at night. The hydration it provides is no joke. My skin felt plumped up and nourished for the entire day, and by the end of the week, I noticed that my fine lines looked visibly smoother. It's one of those products that gives you results you can see in the mirror, which is always a win. If I had to nitpick, I'd say that it might be a little too rich for oily skin, but for normal to dry skin, it's a dream. So, what are the pros and cons of this kit? The pros. The texture is fantastic on both products. Both are rich enough for the skin, but absorb well without feeling heavy. The formula is effective, especially for brightening the eye area and hydrating the skin. The hyaluronic acid in the Max Hydration Cream ensures you get long-lasting moisture. This kit delivers visible results with consistent use. You can see smoother skin, reduced puffiness, and fewer fine lines. The cons. It's not ideal for those with oily skin. The richness might feel like too much if you struggle with oil production. Retinol can be a little irritating if you're new to it, so be sure to patch test first and remember to wear sunscreen during the day, since retinol makes your skin more sensitive to sun exposure. In terms of value for money, I do think this kit provides a solid return on investment. The quality of the ingredients, particularly the inclusion of retinol and hyaluronic acid, justifies the price tag. When compared to other anti-aging products, it's quite affordable for the level of effectiveness you're getting. If you're new to retinol or just looking for something that can really address those first signs of aging, this kit is a great choice. If you're in the market for a similar product but want something more budget-friendly, you might want to consider alternatives like Olay's Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer or Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair line. Both also feature retinol and deliver impressive results for a lower price point. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple and functional. The creams come in tubes that help keep the ingredients stable, which is important when using retinol. And the longevity of the products is solid. The Max Hydration Cream gives you a full 48 hours of hydration, while the eye cream continues to brighten and smooth with regular use. As for customer support, RoC has a solid reputation for being responsive, so if you have any issues with the product, you can expect timely assistance. Final thoughts. This is an excellent starter kit for anyone looking to address fine lines, puffiness, and dryness. If you're looking for a comprehensive approach to anti-aging, RoC's Retinol Correction Kit delivers. I'd recommend it for anyone over 30 who's starting to notice the first signs of aging. It's particularly great for those with dry skin, and it's a fantastic value for the price. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.